So let me paint the picture for you. It's Friday, you get home from work, you're excited to start the weekend with some delicious tropical tiki cooler. So you pop open your liquor cabinet and discover the rum's gone. Why is the rum always gone? Okay, so this tiki drink uses gin and brandy, not rum. Pretty rare for true tiki drinks, but this thing is technically older than the tiki movement, dating to mid-World War II Egypt of all places. But this is the homemade edition, dang it, not the History Channel. That said, if you want to know more about the history of this drink, go check out Distinguished Spirits video on the Suffering Bastard. It's well worth a watch. Our recipe today comes from the Smuggler's Cove cocktail book, and I'm going to try and follow it verbatim. Add about 4 ounces of ginger beer to a Collins glass. Then in a cocktail tin, I need a 1/4 ounce of rich demerara syrup, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, 1 ounce of London dry gin, 1 ounce of brandy, 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. And then add some cracked ice, and give it a shake until the tin is nice and frosty. And then strain the cocktail over the ginger beer. Add an ice spear, half an orange slice, and a bunch of mint for garnish. Finally, we add a straw, and it's time for the fun part. Alright, so that's the Suffering Bastard. I'm thirsty, so I'm going to taste it. Oh, wow. That's freaking good. If I didn't know any better, I'd almost think that there was some allspice dram and maybe even some cinnamon syrup in this. It's like really spicy and like baking spicy, as well as the hotness from the ginger. This is really freaking delicious. I don't know why I haven't made one of these before. I think a lot of what makes this drink work is dependent upon the kind of gin that you use and the ginger beer, or if you go with your own ginger syrup and seltzer. So, if you liked the video, there's a button for that. If you didn't like the video, there's also a button for that, and you can tell me about why you didn't like it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Luke. This has been the Homemade Edition, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.